My name is Chabibi. I am a general manager of design division. My role is to design and to make a drawing or a production NC code and etc. to build our product. I work for PT PAL Indonesia, a state-owned company. We are the biggest and the most advanced shipyard in this country. We have the capability until to design and build submarine and also like aircraft carrier. Behind me, this is the latest version of our LBD-class, 163 meters. We have now ongoing to build one ship, and this is very advanced product, and the cost or price will be 4 times from the standard version. We have sold one and now ongoing to discuss with another customer, maybe 2 more. I'm now besides the scale model of our hospital ship. This is one of the family of our LBD class. We have delivered at least 9 ships of this class. And for this hospital ship, we have delivered 2 to Indonesian Navy. It is possible to handle 160 patients. This vessel we have built to the Rajiman and Wahidin. The white one we have sent to the humanitarian aid to Gaza, and we have several experience during the disaster response to Indonesia seawater. So this is now we are ongoing to discuss with another customer. Maybe we will get 2 or 4 more for these hospital ships. I'm now in the scale model of our high technology product. This is the Arrowhead class. We have cooperation with the Babcock UK. They give us the parent design of the Arrowhead 140, and we are developing our new frigate. We call it the Merah Putih Frigate, and this also 140 meters, but more advanced because we use the Naval regulation. This is the highest technology product or ship ever built in Indonesia. We have done the design phase, all completed, now ongoing to construction. We have planned to deliver this product in this year. PT PAL also have several feature products. For example, we also develop our own drone autonomous. This is only not only submarine, but we install the autonomous or AI system. It has the capability to dive until 350. They can have the several mission. For example, it can be for surveillance or spy. For kamikaze, we have installed 2 heavyweight torpedo. And this is our new secret product. We will start to do the setting to work, harbor acceptance and sea acceptance, maybe a few months ago in the future. That is for our autonomous submarine. This is very little submarine but effective. And the second product, this is the laser jammer for drone. Now drone warfare is very interesting and changing the game. So we also develop our anti-drone system. This is installed on board the ship, and this is for the portable version. And this is anti-pulse jamming for anti-drone also. And also behind me, that is we develop also our own combat management system. So in the future, we will develop our own capability totally, so we can reduce the time and the cost.
Thank you. My name is Enrico Aryyaguna. I am from Republikorp Defense Industry Holding. We are a privately owned defense company in Indonesia. We are based in Jakarta, Indonesia, and we have been supplying weapon systems to Indonesian military since 2013. Behind us is the KSR, Kapal Selam Ringan, which is also called the stealth missile boat. It is a 20-meter length light boat. It is equipped with two kinds of weapon system. At the front is 12.7 RCWS or remote control weapon system, and the back is a missile system which consists of either two Atmaja missiles or four Chakra missiles. And so for the top speed of this boat is about up to 60 knots. And also this is designed as a trimaran ship. It is designed to have low radar cross section or low RCS. And so it is that's why it's called a stealth missile boat. And we are expecting this to be supplied to the Indonesian Navy hopefully in the future.